introducing a new sports commentary, The Miller Zone. Host Kyle Miller spent the weekend cheering on the Yotes in Minnesota.
Welcome to the first Miller Zone. Now, I had a previous script ready for this segment, but thanks to the wonderful win over Minnesota, I gladly pitched that out the window. What an amazing game for the Coyotes. Dante Warren was unstoppable, the defense stepped up the whole game, and the Gophers never knew what hit them. Before the game, I read articles from Twin Cities newspapers that basically said that the Gophers would steamroll the Yotes and turn their attention to big, bad USC coming in this week. This, I think, was the major flaw for Minnesota. They didn't come out to play, and I think they overlooked the Coyotes. Coach Meyercourt all along said that this was the Yotes Super Bowl, and he was right. From the get-go, it was clear that USC was there to play. The crucial point in the game, I think, is the 4th and 1 play from the Minnesota 36. Now, a turnover on downs would have given Minnesota the ball and a chance to take the lead. Dante Warren rolled right on a bootleg and basically ran untouched 36 yards to the end zone, giving the Coyotes a 41-31 lead and sending droves of Gopher fans to the exit. What a shame. What a performance by Warren and the Coyotes. Good luck to the Yotes on Saturday as they take on Northwestern Oklahoma State.